enhances vehicle shine, protects paint from damage, repels dirt, improves appearance, extends lifespan, and maintains a showroom-quality glossy finish consistently. My today's video is about top 5 best high-gloss car finishers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Shine Armor Car Wax Spray. This premium ceramic car finisher delivers an impressive mirror-like gloss while providing advanced protection in a single step. Made in the USA, it creates a slick, hydrophobic layer that actively repels water, dust, and road grime, keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer. Its rapid 15-minute bonding technology allows the coating to fully cure quickly, sealing in a deep, reflective shine without long waiting times. Designed as an effortless waterless wash solution, it lifts light dirt while enhancing paint clarity, eliminating the need for buckets or hoses. Acting like a spray wax, it is extremely easy to use. Just spray and wipe to achieve an instant showroom-quality finish. The hybrid ceramic polymer formula bonds to the paint for long-lasting protection that can endure for months, not days. Beyond shine, it forms a durable nano-ceramic shield that resists UV damage, stains, and environmental contaminants. This all-in-one detailer truly saves time while delivering professional-grade results with lasting brilliance. Now our second product is Savroy 20H Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating. This industry-leading 20H graphene ceramic coating delivers next-level automotive protection powered by aerospace-grade nanotechnology. It forms a dense crystalline barrier that is 39% harder than traditional coatings, offering exceptional resistance against scratches, acid rain, road salt, and extreme weather conditions. Whether facing desert heat or freezing winters, it maintains a durable shield that keeps the surface protected and looking new for over 10 years. Visually, it transforms the vehicle with an ultra-high gloss finish. The coating reduces micro-scratches by up to 80%, eliminates swirl marks, and enhances paint depth, making whites brighter, blacks richer, and colors significantly more vibrant. Its hydrophobic properties cause water to bead and slide off instantly, delivering a clean, mirror-like shine that lasts up to 20 times longer than wax. Designed for multi-surface use, it protects paint, glass, wheels, chrome, and interior trims. The easy 3-step application and complete professional kit make it accessible while ensuring professional-grade results at home. Our third product is Confident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. This scratch and swirl remover kit is a highly effective solution for restoring tired, damaged automotive paint. Designed to tackle light scratches, swirl marks, and surface imperfections, it works with the included buffer pad and a professional-grade compound to gently erase years of wear. The application is simple yet powerful, making it accessible for both beginners and detailing enthusiasts. Beyond scratch removal, it significantly improves overall paint condition by restoring deep gloss and original shine. It effectively eliminates water spots, oxidation, and embedded contaminants, bringing back a smooth, reflective finish that looks freshly detailed. The formula is carefully engineered with premium chemicals, free from unnecessary dyes or harsh additives, ensuring a clean and safe restoration process. Compatible with all paint types, clear coat, single-stage, and multi-stage finishes, it provides versatile protection without risk of damage. This all-in-one repair solution delivers professional-level results at home, making it a reliable and revolutionary choice for maintaining a flawless vehicle appearance. Now at number 4, Chemical Guy's Wet Mirror Finish High Gloss Glaze. The Mirror Finish GAP 11216 glaze is a premium shine enhancer designed to deliver a deep, reflective showroom-quality finish. It instantly transforms dull or worn paintwork into a smooth, glass-like surface with remarkable clarity. Its advanced gloss-boosting polymers enrich paint depth, making colors appear more vibrant, sharper, and visually striking after every use. Application is effortless, whether by hand or machine. The formula spreads evenly and wipes off easily without streaks, haze, or residue, ensuring a clean and flawless finish every time. It is also versatile and safe for all surfaces, including clear coats, chrome, glass, paint, and polished metals, making it suitable for cars, trucks, and motorcycles alike. Beyond aesthetics, it serves as an ideal prep layer before wax or sealant application, enhancing both protection and durability. Trusted by professional detailers and enthusiasts, this glaze delivers consistent, high-end results, bringing professional-grade shine and elegance to any vehicle right at home. And our last choice is Vimite Car Wax Ceramic Coating. Vimite's 6-layer premium car wax delivers a high-performance protection system designed for long-lasting vehicle care. Its advanced formula combines ceramic and graphene polymers to form a 6-layer shield that effectively repels water, dust, dirt, and road contaminants, keeping the paint cleaner and better protected over time. Engineered for extreme durability, it provides strong resistance against UV rays, oxidation, fading, and everyday wear. At the same time, it enhances the vehicle's appearance with a deep, glossy finish, richer color depth, and a smooth, showroom-like surface that stands out in any lighting condition. One of its strongest features is its hydrophobic performance. Water beads and sheets off instantly, minimizing water spots and helping the car stay freshly washed for months. The application process is simple and user-friendly, allowing both beginners and enthusiasts to achieve professional results by hand or machine, even in sunlight. Safe for multiple surfaces including paint, chrome, glass, wheels, and headlights, this wax offers complete exterior protection in one easy solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.